How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This feels really good. I haven't had a chance to do a proper YouTube video in quite some time. So in this video, we're doing something that I just kind of stumbled upon when I was going to test something on another video. So let's jump right into it and talk about it. I didn't know this, but apparently you can connect your non-Bambu printer to your Bambu slicer. And if you have OctoPrint running on that printer, you can also connect OctoPrint to the Bambu slicer. This is really cool because it allows you to send the print directly from Bambu to your non-Bambu printer. So I want to go ahead and jump right in and show you how to do this. Okay, so as you see on the left here, I have Creality CR10 V2 in place. That is my printer profile that I have added as a non-Bambu printer. So how do we add these? If you click the drop down here, you'll see Add Remove Printers. You'll select that. You'll then scroll down to select your printer. As you can see, there are quite a few different options. So I have a Loaner LK5 Pro, so I selected the CR10 V2 solely because it has the same bed length as my Loaner LK5 Pro. So you just scroll down, select your printer. Right now the only option is a 0.4mm nozzle. I don't know if that's a feature limitation or a product limitation, but I have a 0.4 nozzle, thankfully, on my Loaner LK5 Pro. So let's go ahead and click confirm. Once confirmed, you'll see beside it here, there is a connection option. It kind of looks like a Wi-Fi signal. If you select that, you'll be able to enter your information for your OctoPrint server. So this is where you come to configure OctoPrint. If you have an IP address, you enter it here. If you have a URL, you can enter it here. So how do you get that IP address or URL? You just need to log into the web interface of your OctoPrint server. Mine is that I don't have DNS set up, so it's just an address, 192.168.0.92. You want to copy that IP address into your Bambu slicer. If you have a URL, drop it here. And you need an API key or password. So future Derrick here, I'm editing this video now, and I am just too lazy to blur out application keys. So in the video, I do mention I blurred out. That is not the case. I have just deleted those application keys, so they're no longer usable. But if you copy everything I show here, you'll be able to set your OctoPrint server up and have it working within the Bambu slicer. Okay, back to the video. So to get that API key, you'll need to click on the wrench, go down to application keys. On your screen, this will not be here. I have it blurred out for a reason. Keep that API key secret. You don't want to give that to anyone. So the user will already be specified here, and you'll need to give it an application identifier. For example, I'll do Bambu slicer. You'll want to click that generate button and it'll output this information here. This is blurred out, but there will be a application key. When you have that application key, you'll want to click copy, come over here, paste that application key here, and click test. If everything comes back up, you should see connection to OctoPrint works correctly. Click OK, click OK. Alright, I want to show you how to send a print to your OctoPrint server. From here, all you do is slice the model. It may take a minute or so to slice, but once done, you have two options here: print or export G-code. You want to click the print button. Click print. And I'm going to just rename this to something else because I've already done this before. And you want to click print. Now, as you can say, it's completed. Go ahead and head over to your OctoPrint server, and you should see the state change to printing. And that's the tutorial, guys. I appreciate you all being here, regardless of platform where you came from. I'm going to be working to upload more YouTube videos. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye. That I have added as a secondary, as a non-binary,